Do you need a new or replacement key fob remote for your car? Are you afraid of paying too much at the dealership? Markups can bring the cost of a new fob to $300 or more. There has to be a more affordable solution, right? At NorthCoastKeyless.com, we've got you covered. Get the correct key fob for your vehicle for around $50. Simply buy from us. Then use our free programming instructions or call a local auto locksmith from our local locksmith directory to come to you and program it to your vehicle for about $50. Our customers save an average of $150 per key fob with us. Concerned about quality? Don't be. We sell the same original manufacturer key fobs that you'd get from a dealer. In fact, many locksmiths and dealers buy from us too. There's absolutely no risk to your vehicle. Lost your last key fob and don't know the part number? No worries. Our help pages make it easy to find the exact key fob you need. Still not convinced? We offer a 30-day, no questions asked return policy. But here's the best part. We're key fob experts. We boast a stellar Google customer review rating. Skip those dealership markups. We're just trying to make a living, not a killing. Thank you to over 700,000 customers who trust us. Unlock unbeatable prices on OEM key fobs today at NorthCoastKeyless.com.